Dr. Chia Sanchantan, member of the Board of Directors, our school director and acting principal, Mr. Luvo T., faculty and staff, our honorable guests and visitors, our loving parents, friends, ladies and gentlemen, good evening. Today is the grand opening of our school, and you will all see here how nice our school is and how good is PSIS. We'll show to you something that we learned from our classes since the pre-opening last January 2010. In PSIS, we studied under two curricular programs, the International English program in the morning and the State Khmer program in the afternoon. So if you study in PSIS, it is like hitting two birds with one stone. You will finish the State Khmer curriculum in primary level at the same time the international curriculum. Okay, come on, join us here in PSIS. Students will not only learn the English language, but also good personal values and academic knowledge. Moreover, children will enjoy the good facilities as well as the love and care of our foreign and local teachers and staff. In behalf of our school, we would like to welcome you all. Thank you.